The heat is on in 2025 at Auction 1, and we are proud to present our next property auction in the suburb of Beacon Bay. Yes, you heard right, Beacon Bay, and it's blue chip for sure. The reason, extremely urgent and important, another relocation auction. Our seller already resides in Cape Town, and this one has got to go. This property is situated at 30 Fish Eagle Crescent, which is an outstanding address and quiet node to live within. The property itself on the interior consists of 3 spacious bedrooms, and then you've got a study as well. Let's talk about the main bedroom. You'll step down at the main bedroom, you have a dressing room which needs some fixing and finishing as well, and then you've got the ensuite bathroom. This property has 2 ensuites, and in total there are 3 bathrooms within this house. The living areas consist of the lounge, dining room, and the fitted melamine kitchen. The lounge leads out through sliding doors onto the tiled patio, which includes a small plunge pool. You go out through the kitchen, through the back door, there's a large undercover entertainment area fitted with built-in bar. There's even a built-in pub within the home as well. There's a double tunnel garage. And ladies and gentlemen, this home, although not old, is requiring maintenance and TLC to bring it back up to spec and to get that equity right up there on this property. Instant equity if you can do the renovation. A lot of small items still need finishing on this property. Do the hard graft and you will put rands in your pocket. We're looking forward to seeing you at our property auction the 29th of January 2025 on site 10 a.m. The Auction 1 team is looking forward to hosting you and fielding your inquiries. Keep well, ladies and gentlemen.